appreciate it, Jimmy. This Week 3 matchup between the Philadelphia Eagles and the lamest franchise in the entire National Football League will be a cakewalk. The Jaguars are just a crappy-ass team, plain and simple, and they represent the world's largest trailer park, Jacksonville, Alabama. The Jaguars' defense is bad, their offense is bad, their uniforms suck, and the cheerleaders have the highest rate of venereal disease in the league. Look for Michael Vick to electrify the 194 fans that actually show up to whatever that stadium is called down there. Vick will pick apart the the Jags defense, with tight throws, fast runs, and the relentless inertia of his own redemption saga. The Eagles defense will continue to learn its own identity, but will give up few big plays this week. That's right, Jimmy. I just said relentless inertia. Final score, Birds 38, Cat Feces 19.